YouTube. I'm still alive, barely. So, look at my leg. Crazy work. Yeah, I don't know how the bobber bill looking. I got hit by one car off the bike, then ran over by another car. Second car ran. First car stayed. I don't know how this about to go. Hey, if I make me a GoFundMe, I hope y'all support. Help me get back on my feet. Put out some content. This happened Friday, August 22nd. And what's today? Monday. August, whatever the Monday is. It's the following Monday. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna show y'all the process of everything. My leg is broken 2 spots. My lip had to get sewed back on. Got a broken nostril. Yeah, we jacked up, but I guess I'm gonna keep y'all in tune, keep y'all posted.